Welcome to Creative Home Techs. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you. Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a two-way switch into bracket a control switch. First of all, you will need two switches, a connecting wire, an LED light, a USB cable. In this video, I use the power bank as my main power. Please note that the switch must be one gang two-way. First of all, you connect common 1 of switch 1 to common 2 of switch 2. After connecting common 1 of switch 1 to common 2 of switch 2, you connect common 1 of switch 2 to common 2 of switch 1. As I said in the first video, that there will be two dead cables. These are my two dead cables. These cables are the ones connecting from the common 1 to common 2 and from common 2 to common 1 from the two switch, which means they will be interchanging power. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to be part of the family. Thank you. Connecting the common 1 and common 2 of both switch using the dead cables. The next thing you do is you take the positive terminal of the light and connect it to one of the switch. Then you connect your main live. As you can see in this video, my main live is from the power bank, from the USB cable to the switch. So my main live wire will be the red. So the red cable will be connected to the other switch. As I said earlier, always your neutral is connected directly to the LED light. If it is in electrical wire, it is connected straight or direct to the bulb. Now I'm done with my connections and everything. We are about to try it for you to see how it works. As you can see, this one light is controlled by two switches. That is the power of a control switch. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel.